In this video, it's just going to be a really quick unboxing of the Husky Exact Contour for the Jeep JK. I've got Husky weather beaters, which have worked great for a couple of years there. And I've got the opportunity to step it up to the Exacts. So these are actually really, really nice. I've used them in many, many vehicles before, but it's the first time they're going in my Jeep. So let's unbox them really quick and we'll put them in the truck and see how they work. Alright, so let's open up the fronts first. Let's check these out. Alright, so you got your instructions, which don't think it's really a big deal. I'll list those for you guys as well. Looks like this is going to be the driver's side. Very nice. This will be the passenger side, it looks like. That looks pretty nice too. Alright, so there we go. Driver's side, passenger side. Let's get to the other side here. This is the rear side hump. Go. Other side hump. Pretty self-explanatory. Pretty easy. All right, let's now put them in the vehicle. Alright, so we're going to throw in the passenger side first here. We're going to take the old Husky weather beaters out that have served their purpose well, and we're going to throw in the new Exact Husky for the JKU. Here we go. We're getting it in here, and then you got to listen for the snap, because that snap really helps us out here. Getting it in here, making sure we get the clip ready for that snap. Click and click. There we go. We now know it's in, so now we're going to go over and do the driver's side. Same thing. Pull up the old mat. We're getting that sucker out of there, unclipping it, and then I'm going to grab the new Exact from Husky. We're going to put that in. Same thing applies. There's a really nice little attachment on the bottom side there, as you see. That just clips in. You can hear it go. There we go. Almost got it. Here we go. Clip it in. All right, so let's take this sucker out. And the rear's out, and now we'll put the new Exact rear in with the hump. It's a one-piece unit, just like the old one, the weather beater one. This one works really good though. It's a nice softer compound. The Exact uses a softer compound, which is much easier to move around, and if you jump out, it doesn't move. It's not that hard plastic. I really like it. So this is now in. There we go. Just making sure it's all snug on both sides, driver and passenger side here. That's looking good. Again, there's no connections on the bottom of this one, usually on most JKs. And here's the after look. This is what it looks like installed. We have both the driver's side and passenger side completely in there. They fit perfect. These Husky Exact liners fit like a glove. They are laser measured. These suckers don't move, and like I said, that softer compound really helps. If you're getting in and out of this truck or Jeep and you're getting mud and sand and dirt all in there, this time you can just kind of pick them up, fold them over, and pull them out of the truck. Here's the back ones now done. This is what they look like in place. Again, perfectly matched. They don't move, and just a really high quality product from Husky Liners. Really like these things. They work really well. Just a different look now, going from those weather beater styles or the classic style to this exact. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.